Got a check engine light and seeing the code P0501 pop up on your scanner? Today, we're breaking down what this code means, why it happens, and how you can fix it yourself. P0501 stands for Vehicle Speed Sensor Arrange Check Performance. That means your car's computer isn't getting a proper signal from the speed sensor, or the signal it's getting doesn't make sense compared to expected values. This sensor is critical because it helps control your speedometer, transmission shifting, cruise control, and even ABS. Here are some causes and fix. Number 1. Faulty Vehicle Speed Sensor, VSS. The sensor may be malfunctioning due to wear, internal failure, or contamination. Inspect and replace the vehicle speed sensor. Test the VSS for proper resistance and output signal. Replace if defective. 2. Damaged or corroded. Wiring or connectors. Wiring between the VSS and the PCM could be frayed, corroded, shorted, or disconnected. Check and repair wiring and connectors. Look for damaged insulation, corrosion, or loose connections. Clean, repair, or replace as needed. 3. Poor sensor alignment or installation. If the sensor is not properly aligned with the tone ring, reluctor wheel, it can generate incorrect readings. Verify the sensor is securely mounted and correctly aligned with the tone ring or output shaft. 4. Failed instrument cluster or PCM issue. A faulty instrument cluster, speedometer circuit, or a malfunctioning PCM may not interpret or process the VSS signal correctly. If other issues are ruled out, test or reprogram the PCM. Replace if confirmed faulty. Inspect the instrument cluster for defects, especially if speedometer readings are erratic or dead. Reset the code and test drive. After making repairs, clear the DTC using an OBD-II scanner and take the vehicle for a test drive to confirm the issue is resolved. DTC P0501 points to a problem with the vehicle speed sensor signal, which can affect important systems like shifting, cruise control, and ABS. While the issue is often caused by a faulty sensor or damaged wiring, it's important to perform a thorough inspection to rule out installation errors or control module faults. Addressing this code promptly will help restore proper vehicle performance and prevent further drivability issues. That's it for P0501. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DIY car fixes and diagnostic tips. Got questions or ran into a different issue? Drop it in the comments.